you, my queen?
Dependent upon me?
My queen might wish to go before the king and intercede for those that have no other hope. My lady.
Have you forgotten your protocol? To approach the king unsummoned is death.
Perhaps in court, but surely you can visit him in private, in his chambers.
Surely I cannot.
Obedient I have been. I walk before you with a loyal heart. And now I stand in the hour of trouble precisely because of my obedience. I beseech you, Father, let there be another way. Rise up a deliverer and let this pass. Let this pass.
Comfort my people, says your God. Cry unto Israel that her warfare is finished, that her iniquity is removed. The everlasting neither faints nor is weary. His understanding no one can fathom. He gives strength to the weary and power to the weak. Even the youth shall faint and be weary, and young men shall utterly fail, but those who wait on the Lord shall renew.